Okay, I will continue to make my ginger vinegar pickling. So I need to first prepare will be chopped this ginger and garlic also. So the pickle I made is like this radish is one jar make it, and another one will be this green tomatoes, and another jar will be my all green beans. But I think the green beans I have to maybe put the microwave for 1 minute. So you eat this pickle green beans, maybe don't make you're sick by your stomach. Also, I'll pick this jalapenos. So these jalapenos, I will take seeds out, and I won't make this so hot. The sourdough crowd jar and make my jalapeno pickling. So I'll put all the jalapeno there. Yeah, just fit exactly one jar here. I think I have 6 jalapenos. I squeeze the jalapeno out. So then I need to put the garlic and the ginger. So I prepared all the garlic and ginger here. So I need to just get the 1/4 ginger here. And the 1/1 garlic here. You see, this time I put all my spicy garlic and ginger on the top. I'll see, because the last time I keep shaking. Because this will be when I put the white vinegar, and I will fill all the white vinegar here full. It's already full. Then I put the lid on. To the shaker. I think it'd be something good to put upside down on my refrigerator, and a few days later I'll turn back. So be ready to for the refrigerator. Peanut jar I have before I just wash by dishwasher and already dry, clean. So I put my green beans. Yeah, I already cooked these green beans 1 minute on the microwave. So I don't think this will be safe to eat. So I still put another 1/4 my ginger and 1/4 the whole ginger here, the garlic. Same procedure, I will put my white vinegar, cover all my green beans. A lot of people asking is, did I put any water? No, it's just pure white vinegar. It's only with garlic, fresh garlic, and the fresh ginger. Put upside down, try to shake it. It'll be ready to use the refrigerator again. Green tomatoes, I try to put my green tomatoes to the jar. And put a fresh ginger, one-fourth, and make a cut of ginger garlic at the same time, so it's another 1/4. Then we'll be put the white vinegar, cover the top. Cover the mild green tomatoes. So we put my lid on, seal it. So this is only halfway, so I don't need to shake much. So they get loose there. So it's ready to put a further. So I have these little jars here, and there will be put all my red radish. I like these colors, the white radish, really pretty colors. And it's good to make pickles. Yellow pickles are made before. Always try to use that, eat with my other breakfast, dinner, whatever. All the pickles are good for decoration or your dishes too. And I'll put all leftover, all the gingers here. And leftovers, garlic here too.